additional agency obligations for priority programs or projects when revenue collection exceeds targets and when additional grants or foreign funds are generated. What do you mean by standby fund? From your understanding.
Standby appropriations, Your Honor, mean that the triggers are identified, and if and when the trigger is met, therefore the programs, activities, and projects will then can then be funded. So it is contingent on the realization or on the existence of the triggers.
Yes, so it is ready or held in reserve, correct?
No, Your
Held in reserve. That is how the dictionary defines it. It is ready for use. Is that correct? Or we don't agree with the dictionary's definition?
No, Your Honor, because there is yet no fund, and it is dependent on the meeting of the targets and if there will be an excess in the target.
Yes, so there is reservation but no funds. Correct? Yes, even though we have not collected yet, we're reserving the funds already.
Yes, so to speak, Your Honor. So
Yes.
if it will happen, then that fund will can be used for the unprogrammed appropriations.
So if it doesn't happen, there will be no standby funds.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. All right. So does standby funds necessarily connote an emergency which is not covered by the programmed appropriations?
Your Honor, if I may clarify, I don't remember that we defined or we used the term standby fund.
No,
but it's,
only DBM does. Only DBM does in its website. So you're debunking the definition of DBM?
well, Your Honor, I remember in our briefings that we were discussing standby appropriations. I remember them sharing with me the definition of a standby appropriation, but not a standby fund. If I may be corrected, Your Honor, we have the representative from the DBM. If it would be okay with you,
Yes,
if I could
please.
clarify and be
Yes.
corrected also.
Okay, what is meant by standby fund? Do we have a special definition that is contrary to the ordinary meaning of standby funds?
There's no reserve fund, but it is.
There is no reserve
There's
fund,
no reserve fund.
but only earmarked.
Okay. The reason why I hesitated and paused, Your Honor, is that when earmark, it is my understanding that there should be real funds that are there, but in this case, it is conditional. There is no fund
Correct.
yet.
Conditional reserve. You can say that it's a conditional reserve. So if it is generated, so be it. If there is no generated fund, there is no reserve. Reserve is just an abstract, right?
Yes, Your Honor. I would agree with your explanation, Your Honor.
All right. So it's, ma'am, yes. Yes, please.
Magandang umaga po.
Magandang umaga sa'yo.
I am Andrea Magtalas po from the DBM.
Opo.
For clarification po, the DBM defines unprogrammed appropriations that as they provide standby authority for the agencies to incur additional agency obligations for priority programs and projects.
Yes.
So we confirm that definition, but we clarify humbly that it would be the authority, the authorization of the legislature, and the appropriation that is on standby, and the funds are merely earmarked.
So, standby does not mean to be incurred. There must be an emergency. There must be an urgency. That is the meaning of standby. As far as DBM is concerned,
As far as DBM is concerned, the authority granted by the legislative through the unprogrammed appropriations is a standby appropriation, which allows us, if triggers are met, the existence of the triggers are certified, to release the allotment necessary for the agencies.
so we're not speaking of any urgency. We're not speaking of any emergency. When we provide an programmed appropriation,
The unprogrammed appropriations as legislated would be dependent on the priority programs and projects not covered by the programmed appropriations and are deemed necessary, such as foreign assisted projects that do not yet have final loan agreements.